Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is going to be the tutorial for the fancy Israeli turban. And you know what, I had been asked last week, whenever you're seeing this, I have been asked to do a tutorial on this look, and I thought that this is the look that I wore because I get confused. I never pay attention in my private videos that are not wrapping related. I pay no attention to what I'm wearing on my head. I color combine, of course, what I'm wearing and things like this, but I do not really pay attention to what I'm wrapping, which way, what kind of wrap I'm wearing. So for me, it is really hard then to say, what is this? Did I do a tutorial? It happens to me all the time that people ask me, do you have a tutorial for this? And I say, I have no idea. I really don't know. Also because names and all of this means nothing to me. You know that I just don't have a brain like this. You know, I cannot remember stuff like this. So I'm so sorry, but everybody deserves to have a fault or two, right? I just can't. Anyway, so what I wanted to say about this wrap is that this is the big regal. So I thought that I have to film this today, but it's the big regal, so you can just follow that tutorial. Okay, so this is today, of course, a different look, and it is based on the Israeli turban, which has been a huge hit in our little wrapping community, and I had so much fun seeing everybody going crazy about the Israeli turban, because also ever since I did that tutorial, it has been one of my favorites. So the natural thing to happen is that we, you know, move a step ahead and just do a version of this, you know. So I wanted to do this one today. So I'm using the cranberry, and I'm going to use the Can't Catch Me scarf. I'm going to show you, of course, in the tutorial part a bit more how they look if you're new here and you don't know those scarves. And before we go into this, I just want to mention to you that there is also a request that I should do like a beginner special, and that is coming up in probably 2 weeks. So if you're waiting for this with my suggestions about what a beginner should get when they start out and things to watch out for and things like this according to my experience or for my opinion, that is coming. I'm working on that, but next week there's going to be something else that has to come up first. So just so you know, I didn't forget, it's coming. Of course, I have to say that all of this is, of course, in collaboration with Wrapunzel. Thank you so much, Wrapunzel, for working with me. Everything you're seeing here is, of course, provided by Wrapunzel, and I'm super happy that we have this collaboration going on, because I think it has been a blessing for everybody, and I really cannot believe that I'm with Wrapunzel for 1.5 years already, and we're so happy about this. You know, yeah, so it's a real blessing, because, you know, there are a lot of collaborations who go bad, and I'm so glad that we're really doing well. You know, we really like each other. Yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's go right into the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, hi sweeties, welcome to the tutorial part. Okay, and for that we are using two scarves, or a pashmina and a scarf, depending on how you see it. Anyway, so I want to use the cranberry, which is just a very beautiful scarf with a beautiful color. Of course, it comes in different colors also on the website if this is not your color. And then it has these beautiful borders all around, and it has fringes like that. Okay, let me just show you maybe the border and this whole transition between the border and the color, so you can see it a little bit better. Covered up my microphone. I hope that was okay. So anyway, let's put down that scarf, and I'm going to put it down from the top, and again I'm pulling it to the front a little bit and flipping it in so I can clean it up in the front. I know there was a question recently how to clean up the wraps from the back, but I have no idea. I really don't, so I'm sorry that I cannot be of help with this one. I tried to give it some thought, but I really have no idea it would be really clumsy if I would try to attempt this, so I'd rather not. Anyway, so I'm going to tie a knot in the back, because as you know, that is what I need to feel comfortable with my wraps so they don't move. Anyway, so I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to tie it really nice and tight like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put down the Can't Catch Me scarf. This is how it looks. It has a beautiful, beautiful pattern all over, or I should say different patterns all over, like this. It's pretty big, and it has one tassel on each corner. So that is really like a flying carpet kind of a thing. So it's really, really charming, really cute. Okay, I'm taking the Can't Catch Me scarf. I'm just going to crunch it up. Of course, you can also fold it nicely, whatever you feel like. I feel like just, you know, crunching it up like this. And I'm going to put this down about here, just a little bit to the back. And again, I'm going to tie a knot. So now I'm bringing over the one part from here, from the Can't Catch Me scarf, to the other side. So that's why it is super, super important that you do have a knot, otherwise you wouldn't be able to do it. So you have both on this side and then this one of the cranberry on this side, okay? So now let me just show you from the back. Okay, now I'm going to bring both of them up over my head and cross them over once. And cross them over again. So this part here is exactly like the Israeli turban tutorial, just that we're leaving out this one part here of the cranberry, okay? So I'm going to then just tuck it in somewhere, wherever I find room. Like this. And then the rest of, oh, this is so cute, look at this. I don't even want to tuck it away because it's so cute. Anyway, let's see if I can manage to keep this out because it's so sweet. So now I'm going to bring up this part of the cranberry and I'm just going to place it right behind it. That is really all it is. There is nothing more. And maybe I should leave out some tassels here because fringes in this case. Oh. All right, I'm learning. You know what? I'm going to leave some fringes out here. Let me just clean up the back a little bit. And I'm going to leave the tassel hanging out here. This is so cute. Anyway, so this is the fancy Israeli turban, and I think it's really, really cute, and it's super, super easy. There's really, you know, if you have understood the concept of the Israeli turban, then this is basically just one step further, and I think that's absolutely no problem. So it's really cute. I hope it looks okay from the back. Let me just turn around. Other side. Yeah, so this is what it is. I hope you did enjoy. I hope it was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and maybe also your color schemes, the scarves that you would use or something like this. You can of course always tag me on social media when you're trying my wraps. That is always true. You can always do that. Sometimes it takes me some time to get back to you, but I always, like, I try. I try my best. Anyway, I'm always thrilled to hear from you or to see what you're doing, because it is also an inspiration for me, and I'm really, really grateful that we sort of have each other and can also learn from each other, you know, so that is really, really nice. Besides that, of course, if you want to order from Wrapunzel, then you can, if you want to, use my affiliate code, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word. You will find it right here, and if you're watching this on my channel, you will also find it in the description box. Besides that, of course, you will find the things that I talked about today or that I used today linked in the description box, so you have an easy way finding them, sort of. Okay, so besides that, I just hope you have a very awesome day. You enjoy wrapping. It's a big, big gift. It's a big blessing, and it's a huge place for creativity. So we have really a lot of reasons to be thankful and to be really proud of what we're doing here, because it's a beautiful thing. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, give it a like. And besides that, I'll see you here next time for my next video, which is going to be super soon. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.